Wait, it's Vlogmas. Jingle bells. Hello. It's Vlogmas? Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back to the last and final day of Vlogmas Day 12. 12 days of Christmas. Like, I'm all over the place because I'm doing 2 videos in one at this moment. So I do apologize once again for you guys getting this video for the very last moment, the end of the day, the late time of the day. This is the second time since I've been doing YouTube ever upload a video this late, but I wanted to stay dedicated to these 12 days, which the last 2 days became rough for me though, but that's okay though. We made it to the finish line. We didn't get to do everything we want to do, but I still will be uploading videos throughout of December. I just won't be doing it every day. But right now, like I said, I'm in the middle of vlogging another video, which is my birthday vlog. So if you're a new Queen King here, just stopping by. Hello, my name is Valerie. Over here, I do all things home decor as well as lifestyle vlogs and a little dibba-dabba into bougie luxury. So if that's something that you are into, you want to see it and be more about and be in tune with me and my family, won't you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as turn on the post notification bell, because we actually on the road to 10,000. And to my old royalty queens and kings, hello queen, hello king, I love you guys and I appreciate you guys so much. So with that being said, what you guys about to get ready to see is pretty much we're going to clean up this aftermath from the s'mores and movie night as well as the picnic, and we went to go see the lights yesterday and things like that, because honey, it was just a drop and just go to bed pretty much type thing for the past 2 days this weekend, because we really wanted to get outside. So but anyways, Queens and Kings, I hope you guys enjoy these 12 days with us. Continue watching, because like I said, will be more uploads coming throughout December. But anyways, Queens and Kings, with that being said, let's get into the video. So here's the aftermath of the house and stuff from the s'mores, the picnic, work, everything. I just need to clean up the house real quick. It shouldn't take me too long. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long, but it's pretty much gonna be a speed clean with me. So yeah.
Oh, it's Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time and I need you around, darling. So come home, so come. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas time. Let us all come together. Let your love keep shining and for always be remembered. Yeah, 'cause it's Christmas time and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please come home. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Yes, I did. 'Cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. Yeah. little bit naughty. I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Bye-bye. 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 You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah, in the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over. Yeah, so all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Bye-bye. 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 Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. All my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Christmas time on high, in the morning till magic light. Christmas time on high, in the morning till Christmas time on high, in the morning till magic light. Christmas time on high, in the morning till Christmas time on high, in the morning till magic light. Christmas time on high, in the morning till magic light. Christmas time on high, in the morning till magic light. Christmas time on high, in the morning till. In our hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. From angels on high. Christmas time on high, in the morning till magic light. Christmas time on high, in the morning till Christmas time on high, in the morning till magic light. Christmas time on high, in the morning till Christmas time on high, in the morning till magic light. Christmas time on high, in the morning till magic light. Christmas time on high, in the morning till magic light. Christmas time on high, in the morning till. In our hearts we will carry a song
So that is it, Queens and Kings. I hope you guys enjoyed these 12 days of Christmas with my family and I. We didn't get to do everything that we want to do, like the socks every single day. But we do truly appreciate you guys so much for actually just sticking with us, rocking with us. We was on a wing and a prayer with this thing. But so sad that it's have to end because it is the 12th day. And we said we're just doing 12 days of Christmas. I can't go no farther than that. The queen is tired as beat. And besides, I need to get prepared for my 40th birthday vlog. So, like I said, I'm already in the middle of doing that. Start from this, it's going to be a week vlog. So, if you guys want to see more about my life and just celebrate my birthday with me, once again, if you're new here, welcome, Queens and Kings. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Subscribe if you are new, like I said. Also hit the post notification bell that says all. So therefore you can be able to celebrate the birthday with me. And to my old royalties, thank you. I love you guys so much. You guys please continue of sharing the video. Slow down, Val. So therefore we can reach 10,000. That is the goal, to reach 10,000. Stop doing that, Andre. So, because we on the road to 10,000, so, and I can't do it without you all. So with that being said, you Queens and Kings continue to be royal. And remember, baby, your crown may tilt, but a damn show won't fall. Bye-bye.